Hello, mis amigos. Back again. Let's get right into this. No time to wait. Woo-hoo-hoo. Here we are. Hopefully you can hear me at a river 3,000 feet up the mountains here in Costa Rica. I'll have to Google search what the temperature is and leave it in the description of this video, but it is freezing cold when you get in here. And I caught myself 2 days ago, like, Brendan, you need to be doing this every single day. So yesterday I started the first time, and I think I went like 5 or 6 minutes in here. It was pretty cold the whole time, and immediately noticed just my brain firing, dopamine raised, felt amazing, and I allowed my body to cool down afterwards. And that's the important part. Not grabbing a towel, not grabbing or running to somewhere that's warm. So, plus you get the beautiful views. And I also noticed a little less cold sensitive the rest of the day. And I'm sure the person filming this video can tell you that as well last night. Are there snakes? Are there things that could probably kill me in here? 100%. So I'm going to commit to starting yesterday, which was December 17th, doing this every single day, somewhere around solar noon. And we can also talk about how our skin, like right now, I am getting goosebumps. When you're in Ohio or Michigan or Europe, Canada, the Midwest, New York, and it's winter time, when you get goosebumps like this, it's your body exposing twice as much sunlight or twice as much skin to the sunlight you can get, which in those areas is very little. Very, very little. What a beautiful thing. So we don't get sun, but now our body has a way to get cold and absorb twice the amount. Let alone all the minerals and all the benefits in this river. But when I get back to Ohio, I'll be having a cold exposure setup, and again, not overdoing it. Brendan, oh, I'm not going to go get in the frozen lake. I'm not either. Not for now. Until I get more cold adapted, then you'll see videos maybe in a couple years. Who knows how long it'll take to adapt, but you just take it one day at a time. And right now I can feel my body has calmed down and is adapting to the environment. What a beautiful signal to send to my body and to allow it to go through. I'm going to chill out here for a couple more minutes, but just want to show you guys what I'm doing, what you could be trying. Heck, just in your bathroom. Everyone's got a bathroom back home somewhere. Fill it up with, don't even go all the way cold. Just go to an amount that you think would be uncomfortable to get in. Start in that. Maybe make it colder the next day. Keep doing it over and over again. I don't know if you should do it before bed, first thing in the morning. You don't want to be stressed first thing in the morning. Your cortisol is already high. Eat a high fatty, raw meat meal or a high nutritious meal. Come do this in the middle of the day wherever you're at. We'll see you in the next one.